Hey everybody, bugs rock. So let's make some rock bugs. I made this ladybug out of a rock I found outside. I'll show you how I made it. I went out looking for some rocks. It's nice to find rocks that are smooth and kind of round, and that's gonna be the shape of your bug. Now first, I painted the rocks a white color. And that way, whatever color I painted the rock, it showed up nice and shiny, like this red. It showed up really nice because I painted it white first. Now that it's painted white, I can add whatever color I want to make any kind of bug I want. I'm gonna show you how to make another ladybug. So for that, I'm gonna need some red paint. Put some red paint out. And a paintbrush. And then, paint the rock. All the way around. It's tricky painting a rock. And then once your rock is all painted the color you like, let it dry, and then it'll be ready to decorate. So I have a rock here that's already dry, and it's a little bit bigger than the other rock I found. So we can decorate this rock and make it look like a ladybug. So to start, I have a big black marker. And I'm gonna make the ladybug's head. So I'm just gonna draw a line around the smaller end of the rock. So this is sort of the bigger part. This is smaller, so that'll be his head. We'll draw a line like that. And then just color it all black. You can do this with paint too if you want. But a black marker looks nice. Make sure to cover all the red with your black marker. All right, once you have the whole top part of your rock covered in black, that's gonna be the head of our ladybug. Then we can take the marker and just make a line down the back of the rock. And that's gonna become our ladybug's 2 wings. You can keep that line going all the way to the back like that. So now we have our ladybug's 2 wings. And ladybugs have beautiful black spots on their wings. Some have lots of spots, some only have a couple. To make our ladybug spots, we're gonna use black paint. Put some black paint out. And a pencil eraser. So on the bottom or on the top of pencils, there's a round eraser, and that's gonna be a great stamp for our ladybug spots. We'll dip it in the black paint and stamp onto our ladybug. 1, 2, get some more paint. 3, how about 4 on this side? And we'll add some more on the other wing. 1, 2, how about one more? 3. And it makes a perfect circle for our ladybug spots. Our ladybug is almost finished. It just needs 2 eyes. For our ladybug's eyes, I'm gonna use some googly eyes and some glue to glue it on. So we take the googly eyes, and if you just scrape some glue from the glue stick onto the back of the googly eye, that's enough glue to stick on your eye to your rock. Give it a little squeeze. There. 1. Put the glue right there on the back so it sticks nice. 2. There. Look at our beautiful ladybug. And you can make any kind of bug you like. You can make a ladybug or a bumblebee or a colorful beetle. There's all kinds of different bugs that you can make. Now that we have our rock bugs, let's put them in a place where they'll be happy to live. Bugs like to live in the dirt. So let's make a nice place for our bugs to live. So I'll pour the dirt out onto this plate. There we go. And then add some of the moss. Now we can put our rock bugs inside. Here's our beetle, our bee, and our ladybug. We'll put our other ladybug in here too. Some other rocks that are waiting to be bugs. Hello, rock bugs. Our rock bugs rock. See you later. I'd love to see the rock bugs that you make. Make sure to share them on social media using the hashtag Caitie's Classroom, and don't forget to subscribe.